Good evening, everyone. My name is Solomon Patray. Today, I will be speaking about open source intelligent passive recon. As part of the objectives, I will be discussing how open source intelligence can be used in a cyber operation. I will also identify targets, review sample phishing emails, and review the ethical aspect of the recon. The target company here is the MetLife Corporation. It's an insurance conglomerate whose target employee, John D. McCallion, is the Vice President and Chief Financial Officer for MetLife Corporation. Through the use of Matigo, I was able to identify Mr. McCallion's position. I was also able to obtain his email address that I would use later in the phishing email that I'm going to write. These are the screenshots, Matigo screenshots that I use for my search. The seven stages of cyber operations are target identification, reconnaissance, gaining access, hiding presence, establishing persistence, execution, and assessment. The highlighted current stages that I use in this lab are the target identification and reconnaissance. Based on the information I obtained um, on the target employee, I also learned that Mr. McCallion had recently attended a global insurance conference. So, with this information in mind, I felt like the most effective attack would be spear phishing attack. And a spear phishing attack is a targeted phishing attack in which the target receives an email that addresses them directly by name. Any type of targeted phishing attack is a spear phishing attack. This particular example is whaling, is a spear phishing attack targeting a company executive. So, based on the information, I was able to write this spear phishing email targeting the identified employee, Mr. McCullion. As part of the Christian view, the legal authorities and ethical consideration of this passive recon, as a pen tester, other people must be respected in the scope of work. Therefore, we have to avoid any illegal or unauthorized work. The ethical thing to do here is to make good choices, good decisions. Therefore, as pen testers, we should not use the data obtained to harm others, even if it is easy to do otherwise. Above all, we should always do to others as we would want them to do to us. The applicable scripture verses include Titus 2:7 and Matthew 5:16. Titus 2:7, in everything set them an example by doing what is good. Matthew 5:16, in the same way let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deed and glorify your Father in heaven. These are the references. Thank you for listening.